Trimming the lawn can be a tedious task. Why not free up valuable time to enjoy life's pleasures? Introducing Manatee Home, your lawn's personal landscaper. Experience effortless lawn maintenance. With one-button mapping feature, it achieves real-time high-precision positioning and automatic map construction via the app. Our patented C-ToF technology enables an unparalleled mowing experience with its instantaneous, high-precision capabilities. It provides precise position data for autonomous navigation and pre-programmed mowing path, ensuring fast mowing. With a 1,300 square foot single endurance mowing area and 70-minute battery life, Manatee Home is capable of mowing large-size lawns. The C-ToF technology can easily locate broken points of wire, significantly reducing maintenance costs and giving you an impeccable lawn with every use. Our independent R&D-structured line sensor detects obstacles with high accuracy recognition, ensuring Manatee Home's survival in different terrains. Its wider view field and better scanning accuracy allows for complex decision-making. The motor will automatically adjust rise when mowing on uneven ground or encountering an obstacle, ensuring the machine's survival. Intelligent rain sensors analyze weather patterns and send Manatee Home back to the charging base when it rains, preventing compaction and keeping your lawn in pristine condition. Manatee Home's automatic resume feature allows the mower to pick up where it left off after charging. With a high waterproof level of IPX6, simply spray down with your garden hose. Get your Manatee Home Robotic Lawnmower today and enjoy a perfectly manicured lawn without the hassle.